Think about like this needs to be clear to the people who are meeting today. So like maybe before you guys think about like what's the goal of
And then we need to make a definition of what freedom of assembly and freedom of speech are. And then
make something that is like empowering. Make something that
we
says
need to
like
put our
you can say what you might not know it. Why not?
and
What is your focus?
freedom of speech and freedom of assembly. And then we're going to use an example of they allow us to have social clubs, but there are some subjects in which they won't let us make social clubs about.
So it seems like it's a solidarity and a kind of like activist poster.
Yes.
It's like Everest is great in doing this, but we could improve by doing this. That sounds cool.
Yeah.
What are some clubs that the school does not allow you to assemble?
An anti-Chromebook club.
We protest about not using Chromebooks.
That's one of them.
Interesting.
Yeah.